Here is a video that is a little bit different, and this problem is a little bit different from that last video that you may have watched that I pushed out. But in the last video, we had parallel lines and a transversal, and the angles were equal to each other. So in that case, we said 3x plus 10 equals 2x minus 20. We can't do that in here. We can't make these equal in here because these two angles add up to 180 degrees. So solving and setting that problem up is a little bit different. So let's get rid of this here. If you want to watch that other video when they're equal, please check out my other video. But this angle A plus this angle B add up to 180. If I scooched this angle over to right here, it's in the same spot, right? Under the line to the right of the transversal. So you can see that from here to there, that adds up to 180. That's a straight line. That's a straight line. So this plus this also are going to equal 180. So if angle A plus angle B, if angle A plus angle B equal 180, then we can substitute in what angle A and what angle B equal, which is A is 3x plus 10, and B right here is 2x minus 20. So I'm going to substitute in there 2x minus 20, and I'm going to add those two things together and make them equal to 180 because they add up to a line. They add up to a straight line. Add them together. So how do I solve a problem like this? Let's do it the fast and easy way. Let's combine like terms. Let's find all of our x's. 3x's plus 2x's equal 5x's. And now let's add up our other numbers that we see in there. A plus 10 and a minus 20 will give me a minus 10. Use your calculator, don't be afraid. So now we have a simple two-step equation. Simple two-step equation. Whenever we have an equation like this, I like to cover up the x term and not look at it for a second. Okay? And I have to say to myself, all right, self, I want to get x by itself at the very end of this and see what x equals. But I have this 5 in front and I have this minus 10 there. So let's first get rid of the minus 10 and add 10 to both sides. Okay, these cancel out. Now I have 190. And I know that 5x equals 190. And now I just have to get rid of this 5. This means multiplication, right? 5 and an x together means to multiply. So how do you undo multiplication? Divide. Divide both sides by 5. They cancel out because 5 divided by 5 is 1, right? That's the same thing, 1x. Now I have 190 divided by 5 is 38. So x is 38. If I want to find out what the measure of angle B is, I have to substitute in this 38. This 38. You see my nice little Facebook notification, which I have to stop. 38 will be plugged in here for x. And let's do that really quickly in a different color. This cherry red's slightly irritating me. Alrighty. 38 is going to be plugged in here for x. So I have 2 times 38 minus 20. 2 times 38 is what? 76. 76 minus 20 is 56. So the measure of angle B is 56. If I do 180, take away 56, I'll find this. Remember? They add up to 180. So 180 take away 56, which is what angle B equals. Angle B equals 56 degrees. If I do 180 take away this, I'll find the measure of A. If you're not sure how to do this, pause the video, think about what I'm saying, then restart the video. If you have any more questions about how to solve these, I'm sure there are some excellent videos on Khan Academy you can look at, and you can always schedule an appointment with me. Stop me during target time, stop me during PLT, and I will be happy to work on this problem with you.